So this is the first candidate centerpiece. This is Heidi Wilson, or Heidi Sarmiento. She's like my cousin. I've known her for over 50 years. She's pretty special though. She has a black belt in Taekwondo. She has a black belt in Aikijitsu. She has a black belt in Arnis. And she's also a boxing coach. And she's also a professor at San Diego State and community colleges. So she's very well-rounded. So, and she's been with me, I don't know, 10 years or something. But I want to introduce her, and this is Heidi. Thank you so much. This gentleman is Rogelio Roman. Everybody knows him by Roman. He's in the military. Always call him by his last name. So he's been working with me a long time, like 20 years. Says it's worse than martial arts working with me. But that's okay, because he learned a lot, and he's been with Art Studio probably since 2010, for probably about maybe 10, 15 years. So he'll be going up for a 3rd degree right here. And then she'll be up to 3rd degree, and then each gentleman will go for 4th degree Budo, and then with Scott. So, get anything you want to add?
No, sir.
Good. This next gentleman is Wayne Collins. He actually just got recently promoted to Budo under Grandmaster Narasimha Babao. So he's a master in Aikijitsu. He's trained a lot of different, he's done MMA. But when I met him a few years ago, I said, man, I want to work with this guy. And you should see, not only does he know the Babao system, but you should see him with our system. It's pretty amazing to watch him. And so this is Wayne Collins. Thank you. This next gentleman is Scott Berry. Been with me a long time. He started in 2001, so 24 years. That's not that long, I guess. But you know, this is good because he learned how to do the old way, right? Because I trained for 25 years, I trained one way. Then the last 20, I completely changed it. So he got the chance to learn the old way and the new way. So I think that you're going to see that he's really developed. So not only can he flow because he knows all the forms, but he can actually defend himself pretty good today. So this is Scott Berry. Thank you, sir. Okay, go ahead. Come on up. Same thing. Go ahead. Attack of any number. And then counter. Make sure you're countering. Keep going. Take that weapon away if you can. Keep going. Pick up the gap together. Keep the gap together. Okay, clap. And good. Monitor each other and light up. Okay, good. He's just here to demonstrate a few of his techniques. Go ahead.
In our system, even though we teach punching here, we don't like to extend our hand because just like with judo or jiu-jitsu or anything like that, when you extend your hand away from your body, you can use that or you can be attacked. We like to keep everything in tight here, and we like to move, and like as if they're fighting more than one person. So if I start here, I want to come over here and I can strike and attack, but we like to come off the line, and when we run, because we do have a way that we run, if she comes at me, our runs are always at the angle. We never go back and give them momentum. That's just a little bit of our system. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Show me a throw.
Okay. So my throw, when I was competing, because I was shorter, I was always shorter than the guy. So I always hit him.
Nice fall.
Okay, okay.
Nice fall.
So, then he was my guy would always high grip me. High grip. And my counter was, I'd go like this. That was my always go.
Okay, that's good, that's good. Thank you.
So we usually work at close range, but
Behind the back.
so usually we're trying not to muscle the technique and feel the tension with the muscling. So usually we'll go slow. Pretty muscle.
Now you switch to the left.
Yeah.
There you go.
So the thing is to stand up, releasing.
Okay, time. Very nice, very nice. Okay, body each other. Touch sticks. Back up and begin. Good. And fight each other and lie down. And begin. There's the bell. Hey, circle, circle. Lots of people around you, please. Let you control through. You gotta hit it. Down. And time. Good. Watch the spectator. Good shot. Good shot. Good. Very good, Justin.
Nice
Keep
down.
going, keep going. Very good.
Nice.
Good stuff, stuff. I'll take time. And begin. Go ahead. Remember rule number 1.
Nice shots.
Okay, time. Okay. Go ahead, keep going. But now you still got to control to the head. Good. Good shot. Time. Okay, body each other and line up. He knows what to do.
No.
Hit him.
There you go. There you go.
Good. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Nice.
Keep going. Good.
Nice.
And time. Very good. Got each other and line up. You can tap her though. Remember I said, time. Pull it back. Watch your step. Oh, yeah. Pull it back a little bit. Pull it back. Those might cause fractures. Block it. Good though. Time. Okay, body each other. Good. Let's see what happens. You didn't want to do boxing gloves. Good, good, easy, guys. Good, good. Good, good. 10 seconds. Okay, time. Stay in the middle, stay in the middle. We're good. Go ahead, go. Good job.
Nice, Luke.
Okay, time. Okay, body.
Good job, guys.
Body control to the head. Time. Nice.
Good shot.
And begin. Okay, ready and begin. Hang on to your sticks though. Good job. Well, you go after him. Just to the body.
Oh, I'm going to get hooked here.
Yeah, 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. You're doing great, by the way. by the way. Time. Bruises are okay though. Yeah. Good, good try. Watch him, guys, watch him. You still speed it up, Andrew. Speed it up, but with control. Nice shot, Andrew. You're not being tested. You can't even fail. There you go. 10 seconds
Nice
left. 10
shot.
seconds left. Doing very good, by the way. Very good. Nice.
Oh,
Time.
Oh.
Good shot. Move around.
Get it, Mike.
We got 10 seconds left. Let's go. Go, attacker. And time. Okay, about each other. Go ahead. Watch your control. Especially to the head. Time. Okay, good. About each other. And begin. Still watch your control.
oh, nice. Nice.
And time. Good. About each other.
Range was off. Nice shot.
Go harder than that. That's like G-rated. Yeah, PG. There you go. Good. Very nice, Bill.
Oh, you gotta catch it? Okay.
Wrong head?
You got a bad back too. You're still doing great. Time. Good job. Hands only. Boxing. Go ahead.
Get it, Mike.
Roll with your left arm. Your neck.
Yes, sir.
Seconds left, Eric. 10 seconds. And time. Very good. Very good. And just really good defense and footwork. What's that? No. You come here. Hurry. Go ahead. Keep going. Okay, time. All right, go ahead.
Take it easy, Aaron.
He knows.
He uses his test.
Now you're gonna see. Boom, boom.
Hard roll. Gotta get his body low.
Okay, keep going, keep going. 10 seconds left.
Good.
Nice job.
And time. Good, very good, Aaron. And go.
Oh, wait.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Left.
And time. Good. And go. Hands only.
He has to turn to the fight.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. And time. Come. Hit. Don't try to hit.
There you go, T. Hands up.
Oh, you got so far. Faster. Faster, yeah. You gotta try to hit me. Good. So it looks like he's doing really good, man. Okay. Watch your face to the head. And here it goes to the body, see? This one, the body goes to the head. There you go. Where does it start? Starts with the hand, body. Keep going. Fast as you can, fast as you can. I'm not hitting back. You're doing great, good. Time. And so I'd like to acknowledge Heidi. Can you please stand up? And she'll be promoted to a 3rd degree senior instructor with us. And your mom, I didn't hurt you too.
Oh, I know.
I get in
We'll
trouble.
call your mom.
I'm not sure why Roman is standing because I didn't ask him. But can you please stand? Always be ready. Roman is one of my closest friends. I'll tell you a little story. We're almost at the earliest, 11:15. I had COVID in 2020. So I was almost dead. I was in a coma I was in the hospital for a month. Almost didn't make it. But I called him from the hospital. And then I called him and I said, if I'm gonna do one thing in life, I'm gonna make you one of my black belts in Arnis. So it took 2 years. But I was dedicated, I kept asking him to come, and then I told him I wanted Heidi to be my first black belt in Arnis. So 5 years later, I think you've done an excellent job. That was very good, because I didn't ask him to sit. Now he gets to That's for Wayne. This gentleman has really intrigued me from the very beginning. Not only his size, but his overall flow. For such a big guy, Roman's big, right? He don't flow like Wayne flows. Wayne can flow, he can dance, and yet he can really put the screws on you when he wants to. He's really very humble. He's an MMA guy, he's an Aikijitsu guy. But for me, I didn't want this new art to be based on how much time you put in. I wanted it to be based on level of expertise. And that's why I promoted him and that I worked with him so much. So even though he passed up a lot of people, it's okay. Because at the end of the day, if someone complains, I'd like to ask you to spar him. And see how you do against him. And you're gonna find that he's earned that rank with us. So he will be promoted to 5th degree guru. Scott. Right, so Scott started in 2001, 24 years ago. He learned the old way, then he learned the new way, but he's had some challenges through life, right? Some health issues. Well, how can you get a guy, can I show just a little bit?
Just
A little bit. So he had a health condition about 10 years ago. Is that big enough? And he overcame that health condition through natural supplements, but more importantly, his faith, right? I think that's what got him through it. So I just want to commend him. And even though, you know, I always tell him, you got to watch your control, but he's primed for a civil war right now. I'm telling you, this guy is like ready. So I just want to thank him for coming and his dedication. How many people can take abuse for 20-some years? Physical abuse, I mean, it's amazing. So he will also be promoted to 5th degree guru.
All right.
Stand. Switch, you're over here. Don't forget. Justin. Okay, so in this new system, I have Senior Joe Tarango and Brian Adams. They're senior gurus, although they're 6th degree gurus. So these guys are 5th, senior guru Brian and senior guru Joe Tarango. But after seeing what I did today, you know, I was very impressed. One with Justin, believe it or not, his level of control is unbelievable. Because he's touching you, and yet he's really not hurting you like you could, right? But unfortunately, the other people didn't return that in kind. And then he didn't lose it, right? He didn't lose his temper, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a level of expertise and humility, right? But for me, he started when he was 16. I started when I was 16, and that was like 46 years ago. So we kind of have that in common. So, but I wanted to tell you that I was very impressed with you today. And so I'd like to promote him to 6th degree senior guru. And add those. There you go. Andrew. Andrew's like my nephew. I've known him since he was real small. He started when he was 8 years old, so 30 years ago. But you know, Andrew's a deputy sheriff, you know, like now we can recognize that. But anyway, that's another story.
That's funny.
But he's just an exemplary person, you know. He's got the attitude, he's got the technique, he's got the expertise, and I can literally put him against anyone and have the confidence that he's not gonna hurt anyone. I couldn't say that 3 years ago, I'm just saying, but now I think you've developed where you can actually pull your shot, right? Yeah, pretty much. But because it's important, right? Otherwise what's the difference between a fighter and a martial artist? A guy that just beats people up, right? I don't want to be known for that. I want to be known as a martial artist that has the ability to fight.
Right? Has the empathy.
So that's what because it's all about respect at the end of the game. So, but I thought he did really well today. He has that spirit, and he just carries himself really well. So my nephew will be 6th degree senior guru.